Hello friends, this is Satvik back with a new video. In today's video I'll be going to demonstrate you on how to replace your interior dome light bulbs in your car. So currently I have the halogen bulbs. As you can see, I have the halogen bulbs. So I'll be replacing this by the LEDs. So this is how the illumination looks like. As you can see, it's not that bright. So I'll be replacing this by the LEDs. So in order to remove the bulb, you need to first remove this cover. As you can see, this is a cover, and by inserting your finger you need to just pull it like this. So this is how the cover looks like. Let me keep it aside. And this is how the light assembly looks like. And the bulb is supported by two holders. So in order to remove the bulb, you need to pull any one holder like this. You need to just pull this and the bulb will easily get detached. And this is how the bulb looks like. This is the halogen and it's not that bright, so I'll be changing this with the LEDs. So this is how the LEDs looks like. So I'll just put this back again. I'll just install the LEDs. So this is how it should be installed. It should be in between those two holders. And yes, now it's installed. The LEDs are installed. Let me turn on the light. Oops, it got detached. Let me put it back. Yes, as you can see, the illumination is way better than that of halogens. So let me put the cover back again. So yeah guys, if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. So see you soon in the next video guys. Bye bye.